Hey everyone, here's a quick video on how to convert your files on Shining 3D into an Exocad or 3Shape. My lab had an issue downloading their file, so here's just to show you whenever you're on your 3D Dental Cloud, where to go to the patient, click on it, then you go to the convert button on the project documents, confirm that you want to convert it. And then an option menu will actually pop up that'll allow you to choose the exact software you want to open it up for. So for this example, I'm choosing Exocad, the PLY and STL files, and for 3Shape, just to kind of show you all what happens whenever you click on these. And of course, there's a bunch of others. I think that's a great thing that Shining has created for us to be able to share with any lab and whatever software that they're actually using. Here you can actually see that all of the different files are actually downloading. So if your lab is requesting different softwares, gives you the capabilities of providing whatever they may need. This is super important, especially with labs who are not familiar with Shining 3D. We had a lot of problems, and we found out that this actually was the solution so that they could download it properly. You can actually even download it in your scans to make it the Exocad is automatically saved. That I can show you guys on another video. But here you see me downloading just the different file types. These are just for example to show you all. I hope this is helpful. I know that this really saved me a lot of time in understanding this component of it. Small details sometimes make the biggest difference. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to hit me up. I hope this helped.